Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to freeze or lock a column in a row in Excel. Let's say I have this document and I want to see this row 8. When I'm scrolling down, you see, now I cannot see it, but I want to lock it. I want to see this row and I also want to see this column. So to do that, all we have to do is select this cell right here. Let me highlight it for you. And after you select this cell, go to view up here and then on freeze pins, select the first one. So this one allows you to freeze anything on top and anything on the left. Select it, and right now it's going to freeze this one on top and this row on the left. So if I scroll down, you see it's supposed to move. And also if I go to the right here, this will also doesn't move. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one.